Uh-oh. Are those dry, discolored, brittle nails holding you back? No need to worry. With the help of something likely already in your home, you'll get rid of that nasty toenail fungus in no time. Got Curacol, Lamisil, Fungi Nail? Don't even trip. All you need is some vinegar. That's right, vinegar. Trim back your nail as much as you can. Mix 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, throw in a cotton pad and slap it on your infected toe. Cut the tip of a glove, cover it, let this sit for 20 to 30 minutes, completely soaking the nail bed where the fungus lives. Now keep in mind, the more nail you cut away, the deeper this concoction will penetrate. Call now at 1-800-555, you fill in the rest. With just 3 easy payments of $0 plus $0 shipping and handling. Do this 2 times a day, every day for about 2 to 3 weeks, and soon you'll see a complete change. Now remember, toenails grow at a much slower rate than your fingers, so be patient. But wait, there's more. Act now and you'll find a balloon can also get the job done. This limited time offer won't last long. Operators are not standing by. This cheesy infomercial not convincing enough? Give it a try. It shouldn't cost you a thing. Now go disinfect those nasty clippers. Don't forget.